and good evening, Team Cuisine. Welcome back. I know you guys always wonder why I'm in my PJs. That's because I work from home and I just took me a nice shower and I'm in my PJs, my wonderful Wonder Woman PJs. But enough of me. Tonight we're going to be making some stuffed chicken breast. We're going to be stuffing it with spinach, some mozzarella, some Parmesan cheese, a little sour cream to make it just a little creamy, and some bacon. I'm thinking that I should have chopped a little bit more bacon, but we'll see how it works. So what I've done already is that I have already cut open, the chicken breast has been cleaned, but I've already cut open 2 of the chicken breasts, just a small pocket. And what I'm going to do now is just show you how I opened up the chicken breast, because I've already done 2 of them. So the only thing I did was I took the clean chicken breast, and what I did is I just cut a small pocket. Make sure that you don't go too deep, just a small pocket like that. That way you can go ahead and stuff it. So now that we have our chicken breast cut, I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side so I can start on my mixture. So as you can see, I have my spinach, and what I did is, this is just like half a bag of frozen spinach, and I just put it in a colander, and I just ran some cold water on it. Nothing special, it's not cooked, just ran a little cold water on it. And what I have here is my bacon. I already put this bacon in the air fryer. I just put 2 strips of bacon in the air fryer, and I put it on 400 for 15 minutes. And I'm just basically taking my hands and just making smaller pieces with it, that's all. I should have made more. So now I'm just going to pour this bacon into the spinach. Okay, and now we're going to use our Parmesan cheese. Store-bought brand, got it from Food Line. Don't know if you have a Food Line in your area. Now listen, I'm not big on measuring. I never have been a big measuring cup type person. I just put the ingredients in and see what happens, and it always turns out good. And I'm sure I'm not the only person out here that does that. And now I'm just going to put a little mozzarella cheese in here. That looks good. Okay. And now I'm just going to take a little sour cream just to make it a little creamy. Just like sometimes some people put sour cream in their macaroni and cheese just to make it creamy. So I took a nice old spoonful. I think I'm going to add a little bit more mozzarella. That's what it looks like. Now it looks like a lot just for these 3 chicken breasts, but I have, of course, that was a big pack. So I'm going to make enough that when I'm home working tomorrow, I can go ahead and make me a chicken breast, a stuffed chicken breast for lunch. First, I'm going to go ahead and just season this mixture with a little salt and pepper. And mix that back around. So now that we have our mixture together, now it's time to season our meat. Okay, now I'm back with my chicken breast, and what I'm going to do now is season my meat. So this is a little, you already know what it is, Old Bay. If you're old to my channel, you know I love Old Bay seasoning. I put it on almost everything, But you season to your taste. I have a little garlic powder. I have a little onion powder. So now I'm going to season it with some Mrs. Dash chicken seasoning. And now I'm going to season it with some parsley flakes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure that you subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Feel free to ask questions. Make sure that you get notifications. And if you're old to my channel, welcome back and do the same. So it's all been seasoned, so you already know what I do. I use my hands. So I'm just going to take my hands and I'm going to season both sides. That is what both sides look like once it's been seasoned, and then we're going to go ahead and stuff our chicken. So I have my mixture here. And I'm just going to do it by the spoonfuls. So I have my little pocket. I should use my hands, but I just really like using my hands. So I'm just going to go ahead and stuff it. And it's okay if it's some pouring out, because I'm going to show you how to keep this in here. So make sure you pack it all here. And this little spinach stuffing stuff that I have here is only going to be used for this chicken breast. So don't be alarmed that I'm using the same spoon to dip right back into it. I don't know if you hear my puppy in the background playing with the blinds. That's his way of trying to get my attention. But I'm trying to cook dinner. Okay. So it's all stuffed in there. I'm gonna take a little more, put it in the big breast. This is what the chicken breast looks like as it's stuffed. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some toothpicks. And I'm going to stick the toothpicks in the chicken breast. And what this is going to do is it's going to keep it together. So I get the notifications from Wayfair. And when Wayfair sends you notifications, it sounds like a doorbell ringing. So my puppy is barking, thinking that someone is at the door, but it's not. He's a mini schnauzer, and his name is Tuxedo. Okay. Get 3 more toothpicks. So the toothpicks are in. And what I have right here is I have some roasted garlic olive oil. I have it already in the bowl, and I'm just going to put this on top of the chicken breast. And I'm going to set this in here. $3.80. As you can see, the chicken breasts are already in here, and I'm just going to go ahead and slide my basket in. And I'm going to turn my dial to 20 minutes. 1 to 2 minutes left. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. Wow. That looks yummy. And that is going to be yummy. Come through, chicken breast. Yes, for that chicken breast.